Okay, Atlantis, what are we doing today? Say it.
We're going to talk about some nature. Yeah, let's go look at some nature, guys. Let's go look at this. Let's go look at this tree of ours. Oh, it looks terrible. It looks terrible. It's like a rash going on or something. Let's go look at our tree. Our trees. I love you. Now we're gonna look at some chickens. Oh, the beautiful Riley dog. She might attack. She's in her natural habitat. How? She might attack. Okay. Good. There's natural habitat. It's just like there. Good day. Now let's go look at other nature.
Da-da-da!
Dude, every time you click that button, the freaking flash goes on.
Really? Those?
Not the light.
Okay.
Yeah. We have to find something. We have to find the chickens. The coop. Oh no. These chickens are not like nursery pigeons. They eat humans.
Oh, no! Dun 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 dun!
Just kidding, they're actually real chickens. This beautiful natural rainforest.
Shouldn't we go find the chickens first, though, Atlantis? Says original commenter. Let's go find the chickens.
What are the chickens? I need food. Chickens. Chickens. It seems the chickens are gone. Oh, they're under there.
Let's go find them.
Who knows? The chickens might attack. We must go. We must go to the natural rainforest. At least that's what I call it. It's just like being a plot of land. Ta-da!
Woo! Hello! Heh. This was filmed.
I like this. King.
This was filmed by Django Fett Productions, and Atlantis is King is the person you're watching right now. Subscribe to Atlantis is King, and don't forget that Django Fett Productions is also a worthy subscriber.